YouTube, good morning. It's your boy 392 Brown Bear. So this morning, headed to the exhaust shop like I told you guys, either Monday or Tuesday. I'll be headed to the exhaust shop. Yeah, it's early. Nice and sunny out. Going back to my man's TJ Muffler, the same guy that did my Jeep's exhaust. Think about just cutting out the mids. I don't know if I want to do the whole thing yet. I'll see how I feel when I get there. Nine times out of 10, I'm meeting my boy, the Incredible Joe. He said he want to link up this morning before he got to go do his daily routine. You know, he'll stay on his grind with the detailing. But yeah, man, sorry if I sound kind of funny, just waking up. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and get this cold start for you guys and get on this road because I'm already running behind schedule. All right, y'all, we'll be right back. Let's get this cold start. Alright, y'all, we are already in the boat. We're rolling, heading to TJ's Muffler in Loganville. Oh man, that light, kind of like it though. Ooh, yeah. Hey, but no, I'm back to what I was saying. So I'm thinking I just want to do the mids because I don't want much of a drone, you know. My Jeep had hella drone, like a crazy amount, but it didn't really bother me. So I really, like I said, I'll see when I get there how I feel. I don't want it to sound like it does right now, because right now, even with the stock exhaust, it sounds pretty good. And another thing, I do plan on putting long tube headers on here. 7/8. Don't know what brand yet. So I feel like if I did the headers and just cut everything out, or like had to go with a different exhaust, which I want to go with Corsa. If I do end up buying exhaust, it will be Corsa. So I know it's going to be extremely loud, but hey, that's a different story though. You got headers with Corsa, you don't have stock headers with just straight pipe. You know what I'm saying? So it's making a different kind of statement when going that route. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and get down here to TJ's Muffler. We got a good little ride. I'm getting ready to have to call the Incredible Joe, let him know I'm en route already. I forgot to call him, man, so he told me to call him when I left the house. But you know, gotta get my footage first. But yeah, God, look at that light. Alright, y'all, I'll see y'all when we get to the exhaust shop. TJ Mufflers, of course, like always, fashionably late. The Incredible Joe and Lonty, Chicken Littles. But yeah, man, we up here at TJ. Well, I'm up here at TJ's Custom Exhaust, waiting to speak to him right now. TJ kind of busy, so I told him to take his time. So, like I said, I'm thinking about just getting the mids cut off. I might cut the mufflers off. It all depends. I'm not sure. Whatever it is, it's clean. It's alright. Oh yeah, he's sitting right. But yeah, back to mine. Like I said, I want to do Corsa with 7/8 headers, but I don't know what headers yet. I wouldn't mind being that loud, because like I said, you're making a different statement when you're running that kind of setup. But yeah, let me get back in here and try to talk to TJ. I know he was on the phone just a minute ago, so we're gonna see how this is gonna go. About to go ahead and get it pulled in. It's That's the final startup sounding like that. That's the final startup. Oh y'all, look who finally got here. We got Lonty and the Incredible Joe just finally got here like 30 minutes ago. They pulled up in just the nick of time to go ahead and see Betty White get pulled on in there. Everybody vlogs on vlog. Walking in the shop. There she goes. She going up, y'all. She going up. Alright, y'all. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna be keeping the cats on, but we are cutting out the mid mufflers and the exhaust. So it's gonna be pretty much straight. We are going to keep the active exhaust, so not cutting that out. Exhaust leaks. We're gonna get it off the lift and we're gonna go take it down the road and see what it sounds like. Same concept from when we did the Jeep. If anybody haven't seen that video, I'll find a way to get it on my channel. It's on the Incredible Joe's. That's before I was even YouTubing. But yeah, man, we'll be hang tight. We almost done. All right, y'all finna go ahead and get this first start up with the new setup.
What's that?
Shout the shop out. Let everybody know.
TJ's Custom Muffler and Brake. Come see us.
What's the phone number?
770-554-4496.
Turn around, we'll see that merch. Yeah, there you go. TJ got the merch.
Man, why is phone camera a little better than my camera? That's crazy, huh?
I told you, you know what I'm saying?
My Pixel camera look better than all of them.
You got an iPhone. I just got the new XR.
She got a Google Pixel 3.
Yeah, I guess. Oh, shit.
Way better camera.
I like iPhone.
No, listen on, bro.
I like iPhone. Huh? Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna shut down.
He should do his key. No, it'll drive. You can't turn it off. He ain't know that. That thing sound good. That thing's. Oh yeah. Dang, I missed my skate.
No, I didn't lose. I didn't lose. I was
Robbed the game, bro. Why just like my car?
This is where Joe first launched the Jeep, right here.
Sure is, huh? It sure is, man. This is when we got cool.
Yep.
When we got cool.
Let me see if it.
You don't see it correct because of that jump there. It's on the streets, huh?
Right.
Yeah. What happened?
It ain't like that launch. Alright, y'all, so we got done with the exhaust work over here at TJ's Muffler. Got my boys with me once again. Yep, that one right there. Hey, if y'all live in the state of Georgia, anywhere surrounding Gwinnett, come to TJ's Muffler, man. Check them out. TJ always got the best prices and quality work. I do recommend them. Every car I've owned, TJ has blessed it. Alright, y'all, made it back home. Pretty good day. Well, morning. Day still going. Got Betty White back parked. I like the way it sounds. I do wish it could be a little bit more throatier rather than, it's almost like it has a loud rasp to it. It don't sound like the Jeep whatsoever. I don't know why. Maybe the way that they set up this exhaust, but it didn't look that much different from the Jeep. Same motor, different car. But I'm pleased with it. No complaints. Besides that, I just don't like a raspy sound. I like that deep V8. But I guess that's how the Hemi sound, but I can't even say that because the Jeep didn't sound like that. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, and